Alright, so I'm going to try to do a proper tornado vaping, following AB's video on how to do it. So I'm going to be using my IPv2 from IVAP in Montreal. I'm going to be using Mother's Milk, which is pretty nice for it's IVG, so it's good. And I'm going to be using the Plumeveil clone here, my build here. I'm going to try that. Dripping, dripping, dripping for more. Alright, there you go. Alright. Plugging. So much fail. Oh, shit. Alright, so let's try it with a little help here. As Abby said, this might help because